Yo, let me show you another Photoshop trick. Let's go. Today, we're going to remove this person from this image. We're going to make our way over to the option selection tool and make sure you have this option right here selected. Next, you guessed it, we're going to select our object that we intend to remove. So your image is going to look like this. Next, we're going to go up to select and modify. Modify, then we're going to expand this thing a little bit. I like to change my expansion value to number 10, but you can play with that and see what you get. So that just made our selection slightly bigger. So you ready for the trick? Let's do it. Next, we're going to right click on our selection and go down to fill. And again, in our content section here, make sure we're on content aware. Hit the button. Look at it. Oh, what happened to him? He's all gone. Next, just go ahead, go to select and deselect. Voila, he's gone.